like to experiment making various types of wreaths. Some people may not like to put large wreaths on their front door and prefer to be a minimalist. So this week, here is a minimalist wreath that is contemporary/modern and is made mostly from nature. This was inspired by something that I saw magazine Better Homes and Gardens. The supplies needed include a wire ring 13 by 5 inches, leather for the leaves, or you can also use felt, acorn tops, which I gathered outside from nature, pom-poms, I used yellow, orange, and pink. A branch, and the branch can be faux or it can be real. Some brown spray paint. I also used some stem wrap tape. So I gathered all of my supplies. I spray painted the small branch, and mine happened to be faux branch that I had gotten from one of my faux flowers that I had. And I also sprayed the ring. I used an old green leather belt that I had from a while back. Now it is time to make the Pom Pom Acorn. So I went outside and I picked some of just the tops of the acorns, and I hot glued the pom-poms in the center. It is up to you as how many pom-poms you want on your wreath, but if you're going for the minimalist look, less is more. However, I did make one orange pom-pom from felt. The combination of the colors give it a modern look. So now it is time to put the leaves together. I cut 7 inches of wire. I used the stem wrap tape in the color brown to wrap around the wire. That way, when you wrap it around the twig, it's not going to be so sparkly and look unreal. After I got all of the wire wrapped, I folded the leaves at the tip of the wire so that it would be able to wrap around the branch. So I wrapped the tape around the branch, the twig, and you can see my granddaughter is taking a peek at the pretty little acorns that are made. They're really cute. You have to actually see them in person. So I wrapped the stem tape around the twig to hold it and adhere it to the ring. I had to use a bit of hot glue to make sure that the twig held on tightly. Once you have adhered the twig with the wrapping tape to the wire, now it is time to add the leaves. You want to put 2 leaves at the bottom, and if you notice the leaves are pointing downward, you want to put 1 leaf in the middle and 2 leaves pointing upward at the top. I mixed up the colors of the acorn and just kind of strategically placed them in between the leaves, some at the bottom leaf and a cluster at the middle and a cluster at the top. I just love this wreath. It looks so fall and it is so pretty and so minimalistic. You can't help but love it. I hope you like what you see, and if you do, please subscribe, like, you can save it, and comment if you so choose. And remember, be kind to everyone because you have not walked in their shoes. Take care. Have a wonderful day.